Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin. Overall, very, very bullish. Still am expecting a rejection. I did take a short from up here. I still see us pulling kind of back a little bit, fill some of those inefficiencies we have down in here. We don't have to pull back very far, but we could. We could actually still be really bullish and pull back like this, and then get a nice thrust up on Monday, and then move our way back to the breakout of this, bull flag we have here. Or we could just consolidate where we are right now, and then grind our way up to Monday, back test, and then rocket. So we do have some pretty big order blocks here below 70,000 that I am expecting to be some kind of resistance. Let me switch up the colors here for you. Got a better idea. So yeah, this is kind of what I'm thinking. I do like the way the money flow looks on the 4-hour. It's nice and thick and elevated, although we are getting kind of a curvature down for the VWAP, which means we're kind of showing some exhaustion. So I am expecting some kind of a pullback. That's why I'm in a small short right now. I did not take a full short, took a partial, just because I wasn't overly confident, because the overall move I think is bullish. But I am expecting a small pullback. And I left up the buys and sells here on my trading stuff. So this is what I look at normally, on top of other stuff like XO. XO currently is showing kind of, I'm looking for an inefficiency / imbalance here to get filled. I delete the box here. Let's see if I can delete it for you. There you go. Get a C here. We're not going to go too much lower, in my opinion. I'll have to wait and see what the next day prints in terms of the markers here, in terms of the indicators and what we're watching. But we're trying to hold the VWAP here. We lose the VWAP, we're going to flush pretty quickly. We did a second ago. We flushed down. We've got some other order blocks that are here we can kind of wick out and take. But overall, I think we could do a nice bullish divergence with a nice wick down. Momentum's moving up. You'll see here on market Cipher, if I zoom in, so even here on the 1-hour, looks really thick on the money flow. 24-minute. Money flow is curving down, but the VWAP's curving up, which means you expect a consolidation to come down before we pop again. So again, leaning quite more bullish. Same thing on the 12-minute, looking really good. This could be a bull flag. Local, we are holding above the 618. I'll show you that here in a 3-minute. Pull a fib. By the way, that box on XO is just under here. Perfectly behind here. If you get like a wick down, take out all the stops under here, and then bounce. That's kind of like textbook, but it's middle of the weekend. There's not much going on. You don't have institutions playing. 618 bounce twice. My concern is we don't really seem to have much of an upthrust. Every time you come in, you get any kind of momentum moving up, you've got big shorts starting to come in. And you can see the robo buys, pretty much. Binance and Bybit are the ones running it at the moment. Although we've had some really big shorts from BitMEX and some other older leveraged exchanges. And by the way, these are the spot. This is the perpetual futures over here. If I move this out of the way, you've got spot over here. You've got your price with your CBD over here. So, oops, dropping stuff off the screen. So that's kind of what I have. Do a lot of stuff on one screen instead of having multiple screens. So I'm not sure where we're going. I'm thinking a consolidation pattern. I'd love to see a further wick in before I take a long. But I took a short up here at the top here at around 69,450-ish. I think I'm like 457, something like that. But I have a stop at break even. I already took a profit down here on this wick, so it doesn't matter if I get stopped out at break even. I'm just kind of waiting to see what happens here, if we can actually get above 69,167. I've had some really massive shorts come in there, so waiting to see what happens. So have a great weekend, guys. Get outside, enjoy the weather. Be careful during the solar eclipse. Lots of earthquakes and other funky stuff going on. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me? Hit with a Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blockguard Discord. Thanks.